Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Free Trader. Today I want to talk about a topic that I got a lot of questions on. But today I've decided to share a simple strategy with you guys. So people that want to invest in options so they can use this strategy. It's very simple. Remember, always keep it super simple, okay? So keep it simple, very important, because the stock market investing trading is already complicated, so you want to keep it simple as possible. So today want to how to invest in the stock market with options, okay? And the first thing that I'm going to talk about is we need to learn about option. When I say we, I'm just talking about people that got in the market recently. They need to learn about options, okay? When you get in the stock market, you don't want to be jumping in options right away. You need to learn about options. Very important. That's my first advice. And the second thing I'm going to say is when we are talking about options, you want to think long term, okay? Long term when it comes to options. That's the second thing. The third thing, options do allow you to use leverage, okay? Allow you to use leverage. Why? Because you can use a tiny amount of money to control a huge asset. That's what leverage stands for, because you can use 200 and control a stock of 4,000. That's how leverage works. So today we're gonna dip a little bit into it, and I'm gonna share my simple strategy. It's a simple one, and you guys gonna see if you do like it, use it. But before you use it, I'm gonna prefer that you paper trade it first if you like how it works and you use it. I promise to give this strategy away. I'm gonna do it now. Simple, very simple, okay? You might say, oh, I never thought about this. Very simple strategy, but it's gonna make you money over time, okay? Okay, this is the strategy, okay? The first thing I want to do, I want to find blue chip stocks on sale. That's what I do, and I have posted a lot of video on YouTube, and you guys have seen it already. So I find blue chip stocks on sale, meaning they're at support level, because the strategy itself asks you to do that. If you are doing this at a resistance, it might cost you a lot of money. So I don't do that at resistance. I do that at the support level. Now you want to buy leap call options at in the money or at the money with a low IV rank or IV percentile and expiration over a year, okay? A leap call option is any option that have over a year duration, okay? So you want to get in there. Then you want to scale in your position in case you want to get more than one contract. Simple. Okay, that's my strategy. And I have been doing that every single week, every single month. And the result is there, okay? So today I'm going to share it with you, and I'm going to repeat the strategy again. You find blue chip stocks on sale at support level. You buy leap call option at in the money or at the money. I don't want you to buy out of the money. It's not good. You're going to have a very low delta. I don't want that. I want you to grab options that have a low volatility, okay? Low IV, very important. You don't want to be buying high IV when the market is really volatile. No, you don't want to be doing. You want to wait till the IV rank is low or the IV percentile is low. I mean volatility is low. That's when you want to get in, and you want to make sure your expiration date is over a year at least, okay? Then scaling if you willing to get more than one contract, okay? Depend on your account size. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna show you something quick. Okay, this is the example that I want to show you, because I keep talking about some of my trades, and people think I just talk for talking. I do. I do trade and I do things, but I don't like showing things on social media. I'm always careful about social media. But today, I'm just going to show you some simple, and this is my Tasty Work account. I do have a bunch of accounts. I have a trade station. I have other account. I'm not gonna talk about all of them right now, okay? Just for my personal reason, okay? So right now I'm showing you, okay, Coca-Cola. I'm in the money on these two call, and they have a duration of 340 days. Right here you can see 340 days. That's what. And right now with these two call options, leap options, I'm already up 25%. How much did I invest? 900, and I'm having a return of 25%. I'm already 230 bucks already on this tiny investment. This is what we call leverage, okay? You use a tiny amount of money and you get a better return. Imagine if I want to buy 200 share of Coca-Cola. I do buy them. I do buy them in my account though. In my trade station account, I do have huge share of Coca-Cola. But at a certain point, I play options as well, because on my shares, I can sell, call. I can sell calls and, keep getting those premium as well. But at a certain point, I just trade naked call, leap options, okay? So this call has a strike price of 47.5. So I was in the money at the time that I got it. So I got a return of 25 already. Now if Coca-Cola keep going up, my return will keep going up. But I do have time. This is the main concept that you guys have to grab. When you are playing options, you want to make sure you do have time. Because if you don't, time decay. We eat in your profit. That's why I don't play short-term options that much. If I want to invest, it means I want to play something for long term. I go and I buy at least a year expiration date. Now, this is Verizon. I'm down on Verizon because my strike price is 55. But right now, Verizon is at 54.20. I'm down. I'm gonna be averaging down. But right now, I'm not doing it. Why? I want to wait till the price drop. I got a better price, because till now, I'm still up $10. Okay? I'm up 2%. But I don't want to be buying right now. I want to wait. I want to get in the negative. Then I can average down properly. Okay? Now, with this Verizon, you can see that I have an expiration date. I'm a duration of 700 days, over 700 days. So I do have time. The time factor is out. I'm not afraid, you know what I'm saying, about I'm gonna lose money, because the time decay is very slow right now. This is what I just want to share with you, and to tell you that you can play options, okay, with a tiny amount of your capital. You don't need to put all your money in stock sometimes. You can play options and get a better return. Thank you for watching and have a beautiful one. Bye-bye.